Morning, my dear student. Welcome back in online class of Bal Sadhana Group of Institution. Myself, Parveen Chaudhary, and TGT Social Science at Bal Sadhana Public School. Yesterday, we discussed about the Sur Empire, and Sur Empire was declined in 1555. In Humayun defeated the last ruler of Sur Empire named Sikandar Shah and re-established his empire again in India. After the Humayun rule 1 year from 1555 to 1556 and he died in 1556. After the Humayun, his son named Akbar became the ruler of Delhi, and when he was the ruler, then his age was 13 years. So Bairam Khan was appointed his regent or guardian. Today we discussed about the great ruler of Mughal Empire named Akbar. Akbar ruled from 1544 to 1605, and I told you about some basic detail about Akbar. Then birth Akbar birth of Akbar in the fort of Rana Veersal Amarkot. In the fort of Rana Veersal in Amarkot. His mother named Hamida Bano Begum and his father named Humayun. And when he became the ruler at the age of 13, he emperor of Kalanur, and Bairam Khan was appointed his regent or guardian. The full name of Akbar was Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar. Akbar was born in 1542 AD in the Amarkot fort. Amarkot is present now in Pakistan. At the age of 13 years, he became the king on 14 February 1556 and of 1556 of the Kalanur, and Bairam Khan became his guardian. His coronation took place in Kalanur and performed was his guardian Bairam Khan, and Bairam Khan played the role of protector of Akbar, guardian, teacher, etc. for Akbar. At the time of Akbar, when he became the ruler of Kalanur, a great battle fought between the Afghans and Mughals, and this battle is known as the Second Battle of Panipat, and this battle fought in 1556 AD. It was fought between Afghan ruler Hemu and Mughal on the 5th November 1556. Hemu from Afghan side and Bairam Khan from Mughal side. In this battle, Mughals got victory. Akbar defeated Baz Bahadur, the ruler of Malwa, in 1561. See, first battle Akbar fought was the with the Baz Bahadur in 1561. This battle, second battle of Panipat was fought by the Hemu and Bairam Khan. Bairam Khan was the guardian of Akbar, not with Akbar. Means he was the representative of Akbar. Akbar defeated Baz Bahadur, the ruler of Malwa, and occupied Malwa, Chunar Fort, and Gondwana Fort. And who was a Hemu? Hemu was the able Hindu journal of Adil Shah. He was the brilliant journal or commander. He had 52 continuous battle. He never lost any battle, but second battle of Panipat he lost, and he adopted the title of Raja Vikramjit. Hemu was the adopted the title of Raja Vikramjit. In 1556, Akbar captured Malwa, fort of Chunar, and fort of Gondwana from Baz Bahadur. He also captured Ranthambore fort by defeating Surjan Hada. Raja Ramachandra surrendered or handed over the Kalinjar fort of Akbar. Means Raja Ramachandra was terrified to Akbar, so he surrendered his fort to Akbar. In 1570 AD, Marwad and Bikaner also handed over their fort to Akbar. In 1570 AD, Marwad and Bikaner both were surrendered their fort to Akbar. Akbar snatched Gujarat from Muzaffar Shah and Bengal from Daud Khan. Means one by one, Akbar got victory on different side or different rulers. When the Bikaner and Marwad ruler both were surrendered their fort to Akbar. In this term, one ruler of Rajasthan, Maharana Pratap was the ruler of Mewad, refused to accept the sovereignty of Akbar, and which lead the famous battle of Haldighati. Haldighati is the place between the Khamnor hills and Gogunda hills in Rajsamand. Battle of Haldighati took in 1576 AD between Akbar and Maharana Pratap. Mughal army led by the Mansingh. Mansingh was the ruler of Jaipur, and Asaf Khan. Mughal army led by Mansingh and Asaf Khan. In next video, we discuss about the Maharana Pratap. In this in the Maharana Pratap video, we discuss about Maharana Pratap or the battle of Haldighati, Akbar victory. But Maharana Pratap never accept the rule of the Mughal, and as soon as the Mughal forces went back to Delhi and reestablished his control over his territory. Mughal forces won decisive victories over Kabul, Kashmir, Odisha, and Kandahar under the leadership of Hussain Mirza, and Kashmir under Yusuf Sindh. First I tell you Akbar victory Kabul under the Mirza Hakim, and Kandahar under Hussain Mirza, Kashmir under Yusuf, and Sindh under Mirza Jani Beg, and Odisha under Nisar Khan, and Khaled under Ali Khan. Means he Akbar victory over Kabul, Kashmir, Odisha, Kandahar, Khed, and Sindh through his army commanders. Akbar army captured Ahmednagar in spite of steep resistance of Chand Bibi. Means Chand Bibi facing the strong opposition of Mughals, and Mughal won and captured Ahmednagar in 1600 AD. Akbar also won our Khandesh and named it is Dan Desh. Asirgarh commanded the Mughal control in 1601 AD, and this was the last victory of Akbar. Abdul Rahim was given the title of Khane Khana to suppress revolt in Gujarat. Means after the suppress revolt in Gujarat, Akbar given a title Khane Khana to Abdul Rahim, and after that Abdul Rahim was the important minister in Akbar court, and he counted in 9 gems of Akbar. Birbal died during the attack of Yusuf Zais. Akbar died in 1605 after a prolonged illness. Means he was captured by disease and he died in 1605. Akbar tomb is situated in Sikandra. Akbar built Ibadat Khana. Ibadat Khana is the place where they praise in 1575 AD at Fatehpur Sikri, and to conduct religious discussion. He started a religion named Deen-e-Ilahi, and in 1581 Birbal was the first Hindu to accept this religion. Birbal was the first Hindu ruler to accept this religion. Abul Fazl was the chief priest of Deen-e-Ilahi. Sheikh Mubarak conferred the title of Inam Adil. Sheikh Mubarak conferred the title of Inam Adil to Akbar. He provided protections to Jain Muni Hari Vijay and gave the title of Jagat Guru to him. He introduced new calendar named Ilahi Samvat in 1583. Akbar established sovereignty over Rajput through the matrimonial alliances. First, Akbar expanded their empire through the matrimonial alliances. first ruler of to accepted the matrimonial alliances with the Akbar was the Kachwaha ruler. Baharmal was the first ruler to enter into alliances with Akbar. In this term, Akbar got married to Jodha Bai. Jodha Bai was the daughter of Bhagwan, daughter of Barmal. He first, most of thing, he Akbar appointed Bhagwan Das and Raja Man Singh to high post in his court. He abolished jizya tax, means he stopped jizya tax in 1564 AD. Fatehpur Sikri was the capital of Akbar from 1569 to 1584 AD. To commemorate the victory over Gujarat, he built Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri. So we in the Akbar, we see in this Akbar expanded their empire through the matrimonial alliances and through the battle, and he constructed Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri, and he built Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri, and he abolished jizya tax. He gave protection to Jain Sant Hari Vijay Suri by giving the title of Jagat Guru, and he gave the important place to Hindu ruler as Bhagwan Das and Raja Man Singh in his court, and he started a Samvat named Ilahi Samvat, and so Akbar, we can say that Akbar was the great ruler of Mughal empire or Mughal ruler. After the Akbar, his son Jahangir became the ruler in 1605 AD, and he ruled from 1627. Jahangir was named Salim at birth after the famous Sufi Sant Sheikh Salim Chishti of Ajmer, and he was born in Fatehpur Sikri in 1559. He was named after Salim after the name of Sheikh Salim Chishti of Ajmer. For his military service, he was entitled to Mansab of 12,000. Mansab is the rank or position in the court. Means any Mansab Mansab is the post or rank in the court. If any ruler or Subedar provided cavalry or soldiers to the court, and he counted as a Mansab, then Jahangir provided, or he entitled was the Mansab of 12,000. He revolted against his father Akbar in 1599, and to control revolt Abul Akbar sent Abul Fazl, but he was assassinated by Salim. Means Abul Fazl was captured by Salim or Jahangir. Salim gained the title of Nuruddin Mahmud Badshah and at Agra Fort and occupied Mughal throne in 1605. He built famous peacock throne also known as the Takhte Taus. He gave the death sentence to fifth. He gave death sentence to fifth Sikh Guru Arjun Dev because Guru Arjun Dev helped the Khusro Shah. Khusro Shah was the son of Jahangir. When the Khusro revolted against Jahangir, then fifth Sikh Guru Arjun Dev supported Khusro Shah. In this term, he gave death sentence to fifth Sikh Guru Arjun Dev. And first in 1585, he got married to Manbai. In Manbai was the daughter of Bhagwan Das of Amer. And from Manbai, Khusro Shah get the birth. In 1588, Jagat Bai, the ruler of daughter of Mewad ruler, and he famous as the name of Jodha Bai. After expedition Kandahar, he married to a widow named Mehru Nisa in 1611 and gave her a new title of Noor Mahal Noor Jahan. And too famous. Later she was made the Badshah Begum, and at the time of Jahangir, two British ambassador Captain Hawkins and Sir Thomas Roy visited his court, and Jahangir was the great lover of painting, and he died in 1627 AD. So I hope you understand about Akbar and Jahangir. If any doubt, you comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.